This is the M3 MagSafe power bank. I was just gifted this for my review, and I love the packaging, by the way, just as a by the by. Check this out. So we're going to open it up, get that information out of the way, and I want to show you how beautiful this thing is. And we're going to go a little bit up close and personal with this. Look at this. It is a beautiful, kind of like a matte black. It's super, super slim. This will MagSafe connect to your phone in the back. It does have USB-C right here. They do provide you with the cable as well. But I mean, the most important thing that we're all looking for is how does it connect to your phone, right? And look at this. Once it's connected, I have a 16 Pro Max phone right here. It's not light at all. And this is stuck to it, like literally stuck to it. It doesn't add that much to my phone, and it provides like basically extra battery, which is the whole point, right? So I can be on a call, I can be on my phone, I can be traveling all day, and I will not waste or lose any more battery than my internal battery. Because I was just on a flight not too long ago, and you're watching movies, you're watching TV shows, you're on your phone, online, offline, what have you. Of course, you're going to drain that battery. But having a really cool an add-on battery to it. This is 5,000 milliamperes, so it's not going to charge your phone a bunch of times, but it will keep your initial battery, filled up for a very, very long time, depending on what you do, of course. And I want to point out as well that you can actually see how much battery you have left. You just press the button on the side right here, and then it will let you know by that little gauge how much battery is left on the actual core right here on the power bank. Then you can just recharge it with a USB-C at night, and then have it right on your device connected all day for all day battery and then some. It's really, really cool.